Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's TheJinzo here. We're doing an Archtype duel again today. It's been a minute since I've done one of these. Oddly, it's one of my most popular video series, and it is one of my most popular series, and I think the ones I have the most of on my channel. But it's been a while. It's been a man. I don't remember the last time I did one. So hoping she plays actual back row, not just artifacts. XCV won. Wow, I did not expect that. Evenly match. Too bad I don't play board wipes. Did all that and then Darko or would you be mad? Wait, why didn't I get my effects off? That's game. I just misplayed so bad. Also, I plan on bringing back tabletop Yu-Gi-Oh! Sometime soon. I don't know when. We're working on getting some hand traps, something called Expector. This card is absolutely insane in this deck. Because of what it... Damn it! I didn't think of putting that in. Or Call by the Grave. Damn it! I put in some cards I didn't need to, because I could have played Call by the Grave part of it. I'm impressed that she thought of playing that. Good job, babe. She did better than I did. Wow! That back row. Okay. Good job doing the end phase, depending on what you summon. That could have been really good. Nope. You should have summoned a lot of talk. You could have popped one of my back rolls because it's my turn, they couldn't special summon themselves. You want to see something insane? Upstart Goblin. Okay, that's pretty insane. What? She's playing Upstart. That's good. That's funny. Upstart, and why did you set it though, honey?
Because I forgot that after I activated part of extravagance, I couldn't activate any more spells and it got set.
No, you can still activate spells. You just can't draw for the rest of the turn. Yup. My turn? You want to see something crazy? That plus scene. honey.
I got this. God damn it, cheese.
Right? I messed up. I messed my chain link up.
Well, I didn't know that card was a thing, so.
It's pretty good, isn't it? So, that plussing, huh, babe? I went plus 8, baby? Honey? I went like plus 8. Is that good? Baby. Would you play it now that you know about it?
Yeah.
That draw power though, huh? And when it gets flipped during your opponent's turn, you get all your artifacts off and blow up their whole back row. So assuming that this wasn't the mirror match, and I play this card, I blow up your entire back row, assuming you have 5 cards set. That's a plus. No, because you draw 4 each one. Still, I blow up your whole back row, draw a bunch of cards, and summon all my artifacts. As you should use this, but well. Fuck off. Fuck you. Fuck you. Neither is you trying to use artifact sanctum against me. Wait, wrong card. What? Oh, it has to be 2 different names. God damn! Ah, shit. Look at that 3,500 booty! That thing is huge! I don't have a bad feeling about this. How is that? Actually, I could have negated that. Oh well. I could have negated that and got my monsters like nice artifact. Shit. I don't want you fixing your hand. Why would I want that? Cool thing about this guy is that he can add back artifacts when he's destroyed. It's pretty cool that he can add back your artifacts. That back row. Unfortunately, I can't switch them up to the defense. Ah, shit. I'm trying to think of what I could top deck to get around that dude. Good news is that goes back down. It should go back down to 2,400. This is a very slow game, isn't it?
Yes.
I honestly think he won this. Infinite impermanent. Do you really want to take a chance on that being in his jaw? You sure you want to do that? Because you won't get any of your artifact effects off. Hey, it was worth a try, right? Right? I might as well try to bluff. Do I even play Artifact Duel? I don't even think I play him in my extra deck. I think I play this all links in my extra. What is that? Nice! I didn't think about playing that. He'd be a good 2-0. Because he can target himself, right? This guy's first during your opponent's turn. You can target one artifact monster in your graveyard. Set that target in the torture. Nice. Yeah, that's pretty good. But no. No, thank you. That negation, though, bro. Here's what you're doing. Man, I cannot get over that thing. Also, you're talking about how bad your deck is. You're winning.
You would not have to solve this.
Oops, I should have done that during your turn. I just misplayed. I just misplayed so hard. Oh well. I don't even care anymore. I could have in. Oh God. Oh God. No. No. Hold your other face down.
It's season born.
It would have been nice to talk to the other one. I thought it was a good card, but I mean, it would have been better for me to target that. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed them. Subscribe to me, thinking comment below. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. This is TheJinzo signing out. Bye.